So, looks like we're rolling. Gonna make a little bit of adjustment here. Ooh. All right. Just adjust the page to fit the box. Okay. There we go. So today I'm going to be reviewing my website. Finally got it all tightened up and finished. So this is the home page. So everything looks good here. Scroll down, a little introductory paragraph. What I provide. It should auto scroll, but I guess it's not doing that. You can switch kind of back and forth. Oh, there we go. Now it's auto scrolling. It's just taking a second to load. Thanks for checking out my data. Everything looks good. Now, it does look a little. I don't like this shape this has created. I might change this a little bit. Looks good. Okay. Next page work. Alright, got my name, got a video. Let's see if the link works. Yep, that's working good. And scroll down. Okay, another video. And that's working. Alright, logo. Obviously it grays out so you can click on it. That's going to intrigue somebody, so let's see what happens when we click on it. Oh, it goes into more of a gallery. We have the arrows on both sides. Tells you what it is. You can get out of this view. You can make it full screen. And we can like it. Alright, let's go through next. Album artwork. T-shirt design contest. So I like this view because you can see the entire piece of work. Whole. T-shirt design. Logo design. Flyer. Branding style guide. Personal logo. Okay, so we're back through. So close out of this. Yeah, and this is one thing I might try to look at changing. I don't like how big some of these look. You don't see each design as a whole. Unless you go into the, click on it and go into gallery view. We'll scroll all the way down. Okay. Let's go to resume. Alright, so this has been one of the things that I've been trying to work on the most. So you can instantly see, you can download it. Alright, downloads it. It's just an image. Click on it. You can open it up. Get a little bit better view, but I've also put over here to the right a link to open the PDF version. So you see it nice and big. Read it, zoom in on it, no loss in quality. And if we go back, another little PDF link right next to it. So you can click on that and get the PDF. Alright. Close out of that window. Alright, next we have the About Me page. Pretty simple. Just a shot of my mug and some information about me. Background. Contact. So, simple contact page, name, email, subject, a message. Alright, and then we come over here, click on my email. What happens? Oh, it's going to launch my mail program, which I don't even use. And cancel. And don't save. There we go. And then we have LinkedIn. And it does not go to my LinkedIn. I might have to check that. I thought I had that link to go to my personal LinkedIn. So right now it looks like it's just a placeholder. Alright. Learn something new every time I check the website out. Alright, that is my self-review of my website. I see some things I can make some improvements on. Thanks for watching.